Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those and if it cranks but does not start, we'll explain what you need to check first, guys. There is no need for expensive tools, diagnostics sometimes. All we have to do sometimes is just check multiple fuses that control, the starting function and all that stuff. So we'll explain which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, you have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So if you guys have Toyota Camry, that generation, we'll demonstrate on 2017 model. If it doesn't start but cranks, we will explain which fuses you need to check. And relay as well. You guys have up to 2 different fuse boxes. Today we work in both. The first one is on the driver's side. Open the door, look above the pedals, under the dash, upside down, you will see one white cover. Open it, underneath it you have the interior fuse box layout right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to check multiple fuses, guys, up to 5 fuses. The first one is 1, 2, fuse number 2 right here. Then you will need to check, guys, fuse number, that's 3, 4, 38, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fuse number 12 will need to be checked here too. Then you will need to check, this is 24, 23, 22. Fuse number 22. Fuse number 23. After that, you need to check one more. This is 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. Fuse number 33, guys, right here. Next, you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, you have a different fuse box right here, the engine fuse box. Open that cover and you will see that fuse box layout here. Here, guys, we'll need to check a few more things. Now, you will, guys, need to check fuse number 13, fuse number 14, fuse number 15, 16. After that, you will need to, guys, check fuse number 19 right here. Fuse number 28, very important fuse. That's 29, 30, 31, 32. Fuse number 32. Also, you need to check your integration relay. It has many relay functions built in it, and some of those are for the ignition switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.